Tired of IT requests disappearing into the void? Let's tame the chaos. In the next 90 seconds, we'll unlock the power of Jira Service Management so you can streamline projects and supercharge your customer support. First, let's create a new project. Click on Projects, then select Create Project. Choose the IT Service Management template to populate your project with industry-standard workflows. This ensures efficient request handling from the get-go. Give your project a clear, descriptive name, then select a key. This is a unique identifier. Workflows are the backbone of your project. Take a look at the default workflow and customize it by adding or modifying statuses and transitions to match your team's process. It determines how requests move from start to finish. Now, let's create some request types. Request types allow customers to categorize their requests. Click on Request Types and add the options relevant to your team. Think about common IT support needs for each type. Add specific fields to capture essential details and help agents resolve requests faster. Automation is key to efficiency. Head over to Automation and set up rules to automate repetitive tasks. Configure rules to automatically assign requests to the right agent based on the request type. For example, all password resets go to the Level 1 Help Desk team. Don't forget your customer portal. Customize the portal to create a user-friendly experience. A well-designed portal encourages self-service and reduces the load on your agents. Also, remember to populate the knowledge base with articles to solve common problems, empowering users to find solutions independently. And that's it. With customized workflows, request types, and automated processes, you're now equipped to deliver outstanding customer support using Jira Service Management. Now go forth and make IT magic happen.